Tanya here. I am in the process of doing my own coffee table for my living room, and I have done the Retique It liquid wood and then stained it in several colors, and then I used the Royal Collection metallics from Retique It to stencil script on, and I also used a brown color to stencil these leaves on. Now I'm going to accent just the edges using the champagne color of metallics with Retique It wood. Now I just discovered, which I'm pretty pleased about, that this also has a top coat in it, so I don't have to top coat after I'm done stenciling with the Royal Collection. Now before I started stenciling with the metallics, I did use polyacrylic by Retique It to protect the top, then I stenciled. That way when I goof up, which I do quite often, I had stenciled over the leaves and I didn't want the script over the leaves, so I was able to get a wet washcloth and wipe off the stencil real quick because I had poly on it first. So what I'm doing now is I have the champagne color Royal Collection from Retique It, and I'm going to stencil just tiny bits of trim around the leaves just to add a little bit of dimension. I used the copper color for the script, and now I'm using the champagne color. And I'm taking a little bit, going around and around to get it into the bristle. I like to be really light-handed when I start out with something because I always want to see how it's going to be before I go heavy-handed on something. So that's why you see me going back over, because I decided, oh, I really like that. I'm going to make it a little bit more pronounced. So that's what I'm doing now. Sometimes less is more.